Everglades National Park. Everglades National Park bike tour. It's pretty quiet today. We'll whip a U-ey and head on in to Flamingo, Everglades. From a bicycle perspective, here we go. Flamingo, Everglades National Park. It's plenty. Yeah, that was the old ranger station. Boat ramp is left. So we'll go to the boat ramp first, I guess. Why not? Boat ramp it is. And there's two ramps here. One inland and one ocean or bay. Sign says one way, one way. So the freshwater side is over here, or the inland side, whatever. This is where the big parking is and more fish cleaning. I wonder which side you should launch on. Oh, there's the sign. Launch on the left. Fish cleaning station. What'd you find?
Just that side.
Oh, leave alligators alone. Do not approach. Explore the wilderness waterway. This here sign tells you about the 99-mile inland waterway. From here you can explore deep into the Everglades. Trip by canoe, 9 days.
You think you get hit by a mosquito?
No.
I don't think so either.
There's no mosquitoes. Okay, if you did catch a fish, you could come and clean it up here at fish cleaning. I like the sign. It says, if the water is not flowing, the grinder is not going. It's a cool little ditty. I like it. Okay, let's do the marina tour. Marina tour. There was a couple houseboats over here on the end pier, but somebody rented them. They are gone for a week. Amazing. There's no houseboats here. Hello, how are you?
Great, how you guys doing?
Good, good.
Have a great day.
You too. Yes, the houseboats are out and about. I wondered why it said there was no rentals available. Then I talked to the guy yesterday. There's a Tesla charger. Hey, can I ask you a dumb question?
Sure.
How much does it cost to charge your car?
I don't know about here. I'm also renting the car, so I'm not the biggest expert. But
Yeah.
it's been about, I don't know, $20 to fill it up.
And is it like half full or quarter full or empty?
To get full, is about 25 bucks.
Okay,
This currently is about half full.
okay. So it was empty when you started?
Yeah, that's right.
I'll be damned. Well, that's cool. Thanks for the info.
Yeah, of course.
Because I couldn't have told you if it cost a quarter or 25 bucks.
Yeah, totally.
25 bucks sounds more like it, though.
Yeah, of course.
That's cool. And then, if you don't want to wait for a charge, they got fuel. How much was the fuel, Crystal? $6.50. I think it was $6.50 for diesel or $6.65. Take your pick. $6.65. Seen some manatees down here the other day. Nice little National Park Service whaler. Flamingo map. It tells you about the 99-mile journey to Everglades City. You want to go on the Guy Bradley Trail? Or just go down here and whip the UE? I don't know. Yeah. Hello. I'm gonna whip a UE here. I don't see no manatees. Okay, and that was the Marina boat ramp tour. Go right back where we started. The parking lot here, actually plenty of parking for any size vehicle. Here comes a camper. To the right. I was going to the left, but we can go left here. Let's just do the shortcut that we shouldn't be doing. Now we got ahead of the traffic. We got some behind us, no biggie. You want to stop at the lake or no? Or keep it rolling?
That's up to you.
Well, I'm kind of thirsty, and we're at the Guy Bradley Visitor Center.
Okay, well, you're leading the way.
Here comes that motorhome again. We got the stop sign, so evidently he's stopping. I've been meaning to read this rock, and it says Guy Bradley Rock. Okay. This is a really cool place. Visitor center. Nice place to sit and have a snack.